Hi guys, my name is Natalie and I'm an orientation leader for the fall of 2024. Orientation starts in the morning for all of our new students, and since you guys are following me along for sort of a week in my life as an orientation leader, you guys will see me in the morning as I'm getting ready for the first day. So excited! We are dressed. I'm just going to pack my bags and then we are heading to Red Star, which is my favorite little coffee place, and then off to the Tower Lawn to get everything set up for the first day of check-in. Alright guys, so check-in is all set up and I'm going to show you what you will what the process might look like when it's time for you to check in. Here we have Sochi. Good morning.
Alright guys, welcome to the University of Idaho. We're so excited for you guys to be here. So you'll be receiving a little swag bag. It is scheduled for the week, as well as a campus map. If your parents are here, they did this super cute tote bag. So exciting. And then parents are also able to get a schedule for any of the workshops that are going on. So we're super excited to see you guys here and be friends.
Woo!
I'm Claire. I'm Sage.
I'm Julia.
And we're your orientation leaders.
Alright, so that is it for the first day of check-in. So now we're just going to clean up and then we're going to get ready for the new Vandal Scramble. Basically, it's like a giant game with all the freshmen. So see you in a bit.
But it goes rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, so he won. He was scissors on paper. So he goes from a 1 to a...
Y'all, it is, let me see, 9:54, and that is it for day one. Vandal Scramble, as you saw, is a very fun event. Lots of running, gets crazy, you get to be on the football field. Super fun though. I'm gonna go take a shower and get at least a little bit of sleep before I see y'all for day two. It is officially orientation day 2. First off, we have the last couple hours of check-in, so that if you weren't able to check in yesterday, you have the opportunity today. And then all of us will head up to the admin lawn for the giant new Vandal welcome. And from there, we'll head off to a couple, the students will head off to a couple like information sessions. And while that's going on, parents have the opportunity to go get information about their students' colleges. Then they have family tours going on at the same time, so they can get tours of the campus, they can get tours of the residence halls, downtown, all that stuff.
You have a lot to learn about this town, sweetie.
But then from there, we have more family tours going on, some information sessions, and that's when students will meet with their orientation leaders out on the lawn. You'll break up, you'll do some icebreakers, you'll kind of just get to know each other, you know, make it so you have some familiar faces on and around campus. And then that is when the students will go to their college sessions. From there, we do the Vandal family send-off at 2:45, and that's a very exciting thing. We do the raffle drawing if you entered the raffle yesterday, and we get to say goodbye to our families. They are welcome to stay, but it's just kind of the official, hey, my student is starting at the U of I and we're gonna get a bunch of pictures, and I think there's a giant group picture that's gonna happen. Separating from your parents can be kind of tricky, especially if it's for the first time and you're moving far away.
I'm fine! Totally fine!
After that, we are going to be making friendship bracelets. So it's a nice long day, but you've got plenty of time to wander around, figure things out, ask questions. All right, day 2. All right, so that finished the sessions for the first round, and now we're all headed up to lunch at the ISA Plaza. I'm gonna head over to the Vandal send-off, which is where our Dean of Students gives a little speech, and it's a great way for our students and our parents to kind of like separate and go their separate ways as it is time for parents to leave. And then right after all that happens, we'll come over here and we'll make the bracelets. So I'm gonna go show you some of that family send off.
Side of the V.
1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Alright guys, I'm sitting here with some of my friends who are current new Vandals going through orientation, and they're going to introduce themselves and show you their bracelets.
Hi, I'm Stella. I'm a psych and art major, and this is my bracelet.
Awesome.
I'm Rachel. I'm a criminology major, and this is my bracelet.
Beautiful.
I'm Sydney. I'm a biochem major, and this is my bracelet.
Love it.
I'm Rachel. I'm a med sci major, and this is my bracelet.
I love it. Yay. That wraps up day 2 of orientation, and I will see you in the morning for day 3. I'm here with Avery, and she's going to explain what's going on.
So right now we're going to gather up in all of our birth months, and then we're going to do some icebreakers and get to know each other a little bit more.
I'm here with Rebecca and Ireland, and they're going to tell you their favorite parts of orientation so far.
My favorite part of orientation so far is the free food, first of all, and a chance to go play like volleyball every time I'm over next to my dorm. And the orientation, like the program's phenomenal.
Hey.
My favorite part about orientation is meeting all these new people and friends, and probably going and seeing all of our classrooms and everything, and learning about campus safety.
Woo! So now we have our activity. So yesterday it was bracelet making. Today we are decorating these little plastic pots and putting plants in them. So I'm going to show you what some people have created. Whoa, that looks so cool. So cute. Oh my goodness, everybody. So cute. I love it. Yes. All right, y'all, it's almost time for late night at the rec, which is where we have 2 hours after hours to go explore the rec center. All right, and that brings day 3 to a close. So tomorrow we have Sync, which is serving your new community. It's like community service in and around Moscow. It's really cool. And then Sunday we've got classroom finder tours. So we're definitely nearing the end of orientation, but it's not over yet. We still have 2 days of fun little activities. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to pass you off to Shreeza for today because she actually works in the student involvement office as well as being an orientation leader. So she kind of has a better idea of what's going on. So you'll spend the day with Shreeza.
Hello everyone, as Natalie introduced me already, I'm Shreeza. I'm one of the new student orientation leaders, but I'm also working with Department of Student Involvement as a part of the Sync team. Sync is an annual event which is organized by University of Idaho to introduce our new Vandal students to the world of volunteerism in our new community, which is Moscow. So today, here we are at the Vandal food pantry, and we are making break boxes. So what we do for the break boxes is we just take food and we put it in a box so students can take it when our food pantry is closed. So let me take you through the journey of what we're doing and how we're doing the break boxes.
We are building boxes, and then we're putting food in the boxes. Pretty chill.
Okay. We are making the break boxes down here, and we are taking the boxes upstairs in our storage room to store it. Let's go. Okay guys, that's it for today. Now we are heading back to the lawn. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone, I'm back here again. After Sync, we are here at the Palousafest, and we have someone special to talk about it.
Hi everyone, I'm Effie. And I'm Brittany. And we're together with DSI putting on Palousafest today. It's basically a giant street fair full of all the clubs and orgs, local and from the University of Idaho, all sharing for you to get an opportunity to join their club and organization and get involved on campus. Do you have anything to add?
Getting involved is one of the best ways to get to meet new people and get to know your campus. Couldn't highly recommend it more.
Alrighty, good morning. It is day 4, also known as the last day of orientation, and today we are doing classroom finder tours. So this is a great way for students to kind of figure out where their buildings are. Not all of them are unlocked, so we can't show everybody where their exact classrooms are, but we can show you where the actual buildings are and maybe some of the quickest ways to get there. So when you've got 10 minutes between classes, you can definitely make it there on time. And then tonight is the Vandal kickoff. It's a great tradition where you take a giant class picture. I have mine somewhere. We got in a giant ship and we all wore yellow shirts and it was really cool. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed orientation, and I don't know if I have anything else to say, but we'll find out. That's it for orientation. It's officially over. I'm all ready for bed. Classes start in the morning. So I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. But I had a great week. I hope you guys had a great week and kind of got an idea of what orientation looks like from the school's end, like from what we experience. But if you have any question about the university, feel free to reach out or leave them down below. And if you see me on campus, you can also go ahead and stop me and ask any questions. But that's it, and go Vandals!